Perfectly imperfect.
Lagi kong sinasabi na isa sa mga responsibilities namin as music artists ay yung improve namin yung aming craft at patuloy na maging creative para laging may bago kaming may offer sa aming mga supporters. Yung something different, something fresh.
Ikot-ikot is the start of Sarah being the Sarah as we know now. Na sobrang pop, na edgy, and very mature na. Siya na rin yung nag-iisip ng gusto niyang gawing mga dance moves, kinikwento niya sa amin dalawa ni Teacher Yorcel. Siya yung nag-iisip kung ano yung gusto niyang klaseng mood, like kunyari yung lighting, yung itsura ng damit niya, yung makeup niya, etc. etc. Pinag-iisipan niya mabuti kung aakma ba yung visual doon sa konsepto ng kanta mismo.
It was really symbolic in all aspects. Like the watch that dropped, the mirror, everything was symbolic. And, you know, that's Sarah Geronimo.
The first song that I wrote for Sarah was Ikot Ikot. That was in year 2013. And then it was followed by Tayo, yung kanyang dance track nung sa Expressions album.
This one, Tayo, is about woman empowerment. And lahat ng post-prod is. So, lahat kailangan pagganahin ni Sarah yung imagination niya kasi nagsasayaw siya sa blank. Sa choreography, everything, all the movements, it was made na talagang mapakita ang woman empowerment.
Makikita mo dun sa music video, yung mga strong lyrics, nilalabas nila dun sa yun nga, dun sa chroma. Makikita mo, so talagang mediin yung mga lyrics.
Yung Kilometro music video ko naman ay kasing exciting ng kanta which was composed by may iniidolo, Thyro and Yumi.
Natuwa ako sobra kasi Sarah yan eh. Pas lalo pa ako natuwa nung narinig ko na yung final outcome na buhay with her voice.
Sabi niya, gusto ko direct yung hindi ko pa nagagawa. So that's why we ended up doing this video mapping, no? Na talaga namang sobrang technical at saka sobrang expensive.
Sarah has to grow with the time. She has to grow with the time. And time is technology. This is the age of technology. So we have to really incorporate that sa mga music videos na. With regards to the choreography, parang ganun din. Parang robotic. And we played with the camera angles.
Last and certainly not the least ay ang Perfectly Imperfect music video. Kung high-tech ang Kilometro, puso naman ang target ng music video na ito. It's actually ironic na sa imperfect na mundo natin ay madalas tayong naghahanap or nag-expect ng perfection. Gusto natin, perfect itsura natin, mukha, damit, pananalita, perfect ang mga decisions in life. Nakaka-stress! Diba? Nakaka-stress!
I can still imagine the first time I worked with her, if I may, no, parang neneng-nene pa siya. And if you see her now and compare her from 2006, ibang-iba yung itsura sa akin. Ibang-iba yung aura, ibang-iba yung look. Nag-mature to a much more beautiful and passionate musician. And then most especially, kahit nag-iba yung kanyang itsura dahil sa pagiging mature niya bilang isang woman, hindi nagbago yung ugali niya na napaka-down to earth pa rin up to this point.
Siyempre ganun si Sarah eh. Ang kinakanta niya rin yung mga gusto niyang kanta na nakaka-relate siya. Kaya doon niya pa na ilalabas yung kung ano yung nararamdaman niya doon sa mga music videos na nagagawa niya. And makikita mo yung paglaki niya mismo doon sa music video, makikita mo yung growth niya, yung teen na parang bubblegum hanggang sa makita mo ngayon kung paanong confidence niya na nailalabas niya.
Dapat, kalma lang tayo. We have to embrace our imperfections and turn them into special gifts. Dapat mag-concentrate tayo on our own strengths, hindi ba? Walang perpekto na mundo, wala ding perpekto na ikaw. Pero for me, you are perfectly imperfect. Okay? Bye guys! I'm sure napapansin nyo ang napakagandang set namin. Kaya naman, marami pong salamat sa Sanyang Furniture.